Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Insert wood dowel into board A, B, and C. Install shelf support into board A and C. Install mini-fix bolt and wood dowel into board D. Install magnet into board D. Install magnet plate for board H, I, and J. Install door spring for board H, I, and J. Combine board C and board D using screw 38mm. Combine board A with board D using mini-fix nut. Install magnet into board E and insert wood dowel. Install board E into board C using screw 38mm. Install board B into board E using screw 38mm. Install board F at the bottom part using screw 38mm. Install leg at board F using screw 16mm. Install board K at backside of the cabinet using nails. Put board G on the shelf support. Install board H, I, and J using door spring. Lastly, install handle into board H, I, and J using screw 25 millimeters. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled your 3-door gas cabinet.